everyone, Amanda here. I just thought I'd come and share my latest junk journal with yourselves. I've done it in a kind of a shabby chic style, and I've used various things out of my stash and also one of the digital kits from Artimaze. I think it was called Wild Rose. I'm not 100% certain. I'll find the name of it and leave it in the description box below. So it's a hard cover. I've covered it with digital images, and then it's really thick cardstock, and I've also covered it with acrylic wax seal there so that it can stay clean, and it also makes it more stable. So we've got some beautiful lace all down the front here, which is from my stash I had given a long time ago, and then we've got a shabby chic lace tassel here with various bits of loveliness, and in and amongst here somewhere is a little diamante heart. Okay, so we've got a lace closure with eyelets. Right, and I have bound it with seam binding, so it's a little bit like a twine binding, and the reason being so that you can move the pages around. You could add things in, all you've got to do is slip it in or out. Okay, so in the first page here we've got a large pocket and a large tag, and these are digital images from the kit. This is I can't think where that's from. That's another digital printable, and this paper here is scrapbooking paper that I've had in my stash for years, and I think it was called Bronte. Okay, so here we've got just some little tuck spots, and we've got some little journaling cards from various digital kits. I've left a lot of white space in this journal, and I've done that on purpose for writing. And on some of the spaces, as you can see here, we've got some stenciling. We've got 144 pages front to back in total, so lots and lots to do. We've got book pages. This is an envelope flip here with various pull-outs that I've decorated. All of these tickets are loose, so you can use them. You could write little messages on the back. We've got lots of writing space. This is an envelope to put memories in. Another tag. Just bear with me. Just ignore that. Ignore that phone call. Right, so here we've got more digital print, and on the side here we've got some lovely lace and a little journal dangle there, and more book pages. This page here I had a little go at mixed media. We've got some napkin, excuse me, some stamping, and we've got a lovely pocket. We've got lace down the sides, and we've got various ephemera there, tags, etc. Sewn by the sewing machine. At the back there we've got a postcard. Okay, another napkin here. This is a French style one. Alright, like's rubbish, but never mind. More beautiful paper. Here's another envelope flip. So we've got the other side of the envelope at the other side of the signature, all decorated there using bits from the kit, from the DigiKit. Some stenciling there, and again lots and lots of white space for writing on. You don't have to fill every single piece and every page of a journal with something. I wanted to leave space for writing. Perhaps somebody would use it as a diary. We've got DigiKit there, and you can see that it's bound here with this lovely seam binding, and I have left it quite loose so that you can add things. You could even undo that and move the pages around if you wanted. Alright, we've got lots of lovely lace trimmings. Here we've got another pocket, more stenciling and more things. So there you can see that doily there is quite movable, easily movable. We can slide it in and out. Okay, we can move it about. Alright, so you can slot extra memories or extra pages in there. We've got some accountancy paper. We've got another envelope flip with some tags in, and this is from My Porch Prints. These are Artimaze. I think this was an Artimaze freebie from a Facebook page. Okay, so I'll click more. This is my stamping and a little bit of decoupage napkin. Okay, a bit of freestyle, bit more stamping, stenciling, another tuck there. With these images are absolutely stunning. It continues throughout. We've got lots of lovely lace, lots of flips and tucks and journaling spots. Lots and lots of writing space. So that's the centre of the journal, and then we've got the second signature here. Again, we've got another journal little dangle there. More stamping and stenciling. Alright, and then the theme continues. I've kept it quite simple so that there's lots of room for writing. Lots of lovely lace in this journal as well. It's very pretty, very floral, very shabby. Okay. Another tuck spot there, another one there, another little journaling tuck spot there, made from an envelope. This is loose so you can remove it and write on it. Another envelope, more tuck spots, more beautiful lace. I've put as much as I can on. I'm going to need to purchase some, believe it or not. I'm actually running low on lace, which is just not like me. I don't think I've run out of lace in about 15 years. So we've got more, and I've just added some tags. This is a little button printable, and that's a little postcard. It's absolutely lovely. Lots and lots of things to look at and touch and see and write on. Lots of pockets to hold things. We've got a lace embellishment there. Okay, and then obviously it intermingled with the beautiful images from the Artemis kit. This is a little envelope here, more doily, lots of stamping, more pockets, more dangles, and then the back page here has got a large pocket for you to put things in, like I say. So there we go. 144 pages front to back, beautiful. I haven't put loads of things on the front saying journal or pictures because I wanted the lace to do all of the talking. So that fastens like so. It is quite chunky, it is very beautiful, and it is for sale. If anybody is interested, message me. I try and keep my prices quite low so that anybody can purchase these, and so I would be asking for £35 plus postage for this one because it is quite chunky and we've got a lot of lace on it. If anybody's interested, shoot me a message, find me on Facebook, and this could be winging its way to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I hope that's given you maybe a little bit of inspiration for making a nice lovely diary style junk journal. Thanks for watching. Bye.